keeps day.
Good morning.
So now the pressure's on. We haven't had a losing day in person. I don't know what.
Good morning, Team Bull. How's everyone?
What's up, Grizzly?
What's up?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
What's up? How you doing?
Good. Ready
What's
to.
you today? Why aren't you here? You promised in the springtime you'd come, bro.
I will. Let's wait till the warmer side. Happy Friday, everyone.
Friday. Full house here at HQ.
Nice.
Oh, nice job, Gene. Look at you improvise. Is it on now?
Good morning, everyone. TikTok, YouTube, how we doing? Welcome in. Oh no, I was dealing with some weird charge on my card. That's why I started the live a little close to market opens. Had to make sure they wasn't stealing my money, you know. Nice.
Tennessee.
All right. Less than 2 minutes till market open, everyone.
Nope. We're live from the Team Bull HQ today. That's funny. The camera saw when you did that. That's hilarious. All right, guys, we got.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. See if we can end this week without any losses. Let's be extra selective today. Friday got us last week, so. Sorry, Aunt. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let's see who we got here. Good morning, Joey, Nick, everyone. Laura, good morning. I hit push day this morning. I couldn't do any incline workouts because of my neck/shoulder, but I got flat bench in, so we'll take it. Good morning. And I didn't press over I did like 155 for all my sets with some high reps. Wasn't risking it. Let's do this, everyone. Market's open. All right, let's do this, Team Bull.
Let's do it. Let's get it. We dipped down and we bought it right back up. So let's see. Let's go ahead and mark out our key levels. Pre-market high.
I would say the highest probability reject will be up around the 26,000 area. But the game plan for me today, mainly, not really looking to long anywhere. I'd rather catch shorts, so maybe we push up, get a nice fair value gap to get our entry in. We shall see.
So I'm trading 0 DT on Tesla. I'm bringing it back to 2023 days. 2023 days. way I do it, thing.
Happy birthday, Kelsey. Your 30th? That's awesome. You might catch up to me. Good morning, Bill. Share the live, everyone. Let's get it rolling. I know I was cutting it close this morning, but I made it. Good morning, Naya. Sipping some tea this morning. You're welcome, Daryl. What's everyone like the best this morning? I gave you all my thoughts. Let's hear yours. I don't want to give you all biased. I just want to talk. I wouldn't be surprised if we seen some profit taking today on Friday. We'll see. Just looking at the chart. I don't see any data. Do you all see any data this morning? Make sure you hit the follow. I'll go live every morning. TikTok. Good morning. Welcome in. What's up, ZT? Longest 5-minute candle. Longest first 5 minutes ever of market open here. I thought the only data I seen was at 8:30 this morning. Oh, bearish divergence. We got a bearish divergence, Team Bull. You seen the post, right? From yesterday? Anyone? Team Bull?
I seen it. I read it.
Okay. Not looking for.
I appreciated that. All right, I'm gonna watch this Tesla for a pullback to pre-market high too. You can bounce this like lower at 441-ish area. That is 459. I'll fuck that.
If you're looking at my screen, Coco, it's in the bottom right on the chart. The one beside of it's volume, but the one on the chart is delta.
I thought Tesla. Let me see that little one 441. Wow,
Welcome. There's just no trade to be made in this area, though, everyone. We got to get up to some zones here. Unless we just, like I said, created like a nice fair value gap here, bearish. Wait on the pullback to the midline.
Tesla options are moving crazy. I forgot how aggressively zero DTE Teslas move. Gonna wait as far as any futures trades. I'm gonna wait the first 15-20 minutes. Got about an hour and a half to trade today, so hopefully in the first hour and a half we can find a nice winner. Been doing well at it lately. It's been a beautiful week. Strategy works with gold for sure. The GD.
What's up, everyone? Welcome in.
Fair value gap somewhere. Yeah. Alright. Grandma, what do you think? Which way are we going today? Long or short? Right now the market's moving up.
Getting Grandma's advice on our trade. Jay done is. Good morning. Welcome in.
Grandma likes the shorts today.
I would agree with her if we can get a entry.
Grandma says she likes the shorts. That Tesla free market high balance went crazy. We're almost to the dollar. Those 442.5 contracts almost got 100%. Insane.
Good morning. Welcome in, DJ. Good morning,
Why
Tiffany.
That's right.
Who did I miss here? Really, are you serious? Good morning.
Damn, that Tesla's going bananas. Wow. I didn't end up taking it. I'm gonna start consistently trading individuals. I'm watching them every day. Futures are cool, but there's just so much opportunity in individuals too. So much opportunity.
Right here. Bottom right.
Yeah, dude,
See Delta at the bottom right, everyone, on the chart.
Big proprietary firms, like that's what a lot of them just trade because there's so many inefficiencies in the market. You can find so much opportunity there every day. So much opportunity. We're live at the Team Bull HQ today, baby. Squad here.
I didn't realize today was OPEX, Corey.
Live with your boy.
Thanks for pointing that out.
Who else would love to take trades with their squad in person? I don't know anyone. Grandma wants the shorts. She wants the flush. Can't say I disagree. Being said, I love trading the downside. I am a fan of trading the downside. Big fan. What you watch for, Brandon? Anything that you
I
like?
caught a trade this morning, everyone. I don't know if I told you all that before the live. The dashboard confirmed the VWAP bounce for me. Literally perfect. Caught a move up.
Down.
The dashboard up here showed the bullish divergence, and VIX confirmed with it at like 809. I caught the move up.
Day.
Good morning, Danny. Danny, did you catch the bounce at VWAP this morning? Was you trading?
Got 4 more minutes till our 15-minute ranges in. We also have some relative strength on Tesla. Let's shoot a video.
It's even better, Danny.
Strong too. Good relative strength in your NVIDIA too. Strong. I haven't day traded NVIDIA for a while.
Any questions for me?
Never.
Plenty of time for questions, everyone. I appreciate you all for showing up on a Friday. A lot of you have been here every single day this week grinding with me.
Not a fan of trading the first 15-20 minutes. Like to let the market settle.
Live on TikTok, YouTube, and inside Team Bull on Zoom. So, thousands of people trading with me right now.
Grandma, good news so far. We've just gone down from where you said you like shorts. About 30 points. So we're still between this pre-market high and low.
Appreciate that, man.
Our first 2-minute range.
Is that something you'd be interested in, Henny?
Right now, I'm just waiting, staying patient.
No pressure, yeah, no pressure.
Set up. 2x $2. And no rush.
It's built in user 818.
I just do. Yeah.
Everything you see on the chart besides the volume bars at the bottom
Yeah, I don't care about
is
anything.
Grisology.
I don't find it relevant.
I could add the volume bars very easily, but I haven't yet. I just keep it. The volume one's free on TradingView, so I just use that one.
Yeah, how was Asia session, Jen?
I'm getting ready with the shorts and the man.
Oh,
So you're getting ready for the shorts?
better be careful with them.
Just waiting a little bit more.
Oh, I'm gonna turn off Zoom for a minute. I don't want you all to take any bad trades. Not that it couldn't print, but I know we could possibly bounce this area here because we're at VWAP. And I don't want you all losing after a perfect week, so. I mean, everything I see says down right now, but we're at these key levels, and to me, it's just too high risk to try a short here. Now, oh no, don't invalidate the... I see a trade, everyone. Well, there wasn't high enough volume on that previous. Scratch that. I was gonna say we could short up around that Asia high. Well, technically, it would have to be higher. It would have to be higher. There was enough volume on that candle. Sorry, I had to do a little math there. And math is not my strong point, so. Ooh. If you all seen my calculator history, you would judge me. For sure. Oh. That was where I was thinking about taking a short, that overnight high. If this candle had more volume, it would be higher probability. Yeah, I would rather catch the move down once we clear the pre-market low and we push back up to retest on lower volume. What do you all think about that? I'd like to get below the 800. I feel like we could bounce the 800 hard again, you know. If we could get the dashboard to confirm, I would feel much better about it. Yeah, you can share the live. Go ahead and share it, just as long as you're allowed to in the community you share it in, or wherever you're sharing it. Don't want you all getting in trouble, getting kicked out or whatever. Appreciate the likes. Cough. Well, did not close outside of the range. Interesting candle, huh? Volume not much different than the past 3 5-minute candles. The volume on them, not a whole lot of difference. What's the blue line? Wait a second. Oh, that's VWAP. It looks, price action looks good to the downside, but volume is not. Well, VIX is confirming bearish. Interesting. The dashboard confirmed. But we could just bounce this pre-market low hard, you know?
Perfect scenario. As I already explained, guys, big coaching 797 entering the box. And with the perfect one.
Jen and Greg with the bangers.
I'm sticking by what I said earlier, everyone. I'm waiting until we break this pre-market low. Too high of a chance that we bounce here. I was gonna get some shorts there, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna follow my original plan. What a move down, though. You all starting to understand how the dashboard works now, everyone? Hopefully you are. This candle volume, though, it's gonna pick up some volume here. No, I haven't got into the trade. Haven't taken a trade with you all. I caught one pre-market by myself. Sometimes it just happens like that. You know, I just see a good setup. The dashboard and VWAP is what made me some money this morning. We confirmed the bullish divergence at VWAP. Sorry, MJ. I'm not trying to rub it in. I'm just telling the new people coming in. All right. Come on. We need some more volume. Hurry. Don't feel anxious or feel like we have to take a trade, everyone. We got this. Let's stay patient. We gotta wait on the retest of that 800 area for a short entry if we try it. You said Mason, is that the NQ 15-minute Mason that you're watching? I wouldn't I'd be surprised to see a reversal, but we'll see. Volume's not telling me a whole lot on the lower time frames yet. Yeah, we got data. 3 minutes.
Grandma gonna take a trade?
Oh yeah, I'm here, everyone. I'm just letting everyone do their thing on voice. If I take a trade, you all know it.
I haven't taken anything yet either. I want to see a retest back up, but didn't get it.
I wanted a short entry, but every entry up there was too high risk for me.
Come on, 20 points for mega trade. Come on. 738 mega trade level.
Some good tea. Yesterday's chop was because of the massive move that we had pre-market. Every time you have a big move like that, it makes it extremely difficult for day trading. Like I said yesterday, even though we made good money yesterday, we had a sniper entry and we wasn't too far from getting stopped out of that. It pulled back a little more than I wanted. What kind of tea? What is this one? Which one did I grab this morning? The elderberry one. I'm glad Greg had a nice trade. See, there's a possible short entry. I expected some profit taking today. I just was hoping it would give us an entry below that pre-market low, you know? That was the only thing I was waiting for. It could have easily bounced that 25, that overnight low 25,800 again, enough to stop us out. Small caps been moving well, Ryan. I haven't looked at them, to be honest. I wouldn't be so sure we're gonna reverse yet, everyone. Let's see what price action tells us in volume. See what this candle does. Did it really miss our demand by like 1 point? You all see that? Look how much it missed that zone by. I wish I had gotten that trade at that 50 area with you all. The higher volume, because it is the higher volume, but look at the volume we're getting on this candle, you know? Remember, last Friday's when we took our losses. It's going to pay us to be patient today. It's going to pay us to be patient. I'm watching.
Take.
Is anybody in a trade? Team Bull?
No. I'm leaving.
Have a good one, Greg. Nice trade this morning. Glad you made some money.
Take care, man. Thank you. Have a great weekend, man.
You too.
Bye bye, Tim Bull. Bye bye, Jadon. See you next week.
We have a law student. Will you go help find her? Yeah, she just doesn't know how to find the office. So. Oh, there she is. welcome. How's it going? Welcome to the Team Ball HQ.
Let's see, what's this?
Yeah, make yourself home. Find a place to sit with the squad. Watching that potential reject spot here.
I started some at 50 there, some shorts. I'm going to try a light size of M&Q shorts here. My stop loss will be at the top of the 788 is my hard stop. M&Q shorts here, 788 is my hard stop. My fill is around that 50 area.
Trying a piece of shorts with you too. Try it, guys. I tried a small piece of shorts.
I believe if we break above that candle where my stop loss is, we more than likely V-shape reclaim.
Right
So.
size. With stops. So here's my plan here, guys. I tried a small piece. I'm gonna keep.
If it pushes up, keep our stops the same. That tells us it could retest the pre-market low, then sell off, but the high volume candle come in right here just to point out what I see. This was our high volume right here. If you all don't like the setup, don't take it. I understand. Friday wasn't great for us last week. We've made really good money this week. Yeah, just position lightly. There's a little risk on this trade, I would agree. That's why, hence the light size, you know. Oh, yawns. Cannot quit yawning again.
That would be the most ideal lower high. If I lost this trade, then I lost that trade, I'd be done for the day.
Hopefully we get low day out of this. That's ideal, everyone.
So you guys have my plan beforehand. Took the shorts up there in the 50s.
It's trying to reject, but it's hesitating, so. It's a battle right here right at our entry is a battle, and that's for a reason. We had a good entry here, but if it hits our stop, it's this invalid trade. We move on to the next. My stop loss remains the same, everyone. 788. It hasn't changed. I'll let you know if I move it down any. Catch you later, Ryan. Catch you later, Ryan.
Sure, you're like 12 to 15 points.
Come on, push on down for us. Rip down.
Low 730. I'll trim.
That Asia low 731. That's a good area.
Come on.
I took
Come
it.
on.
Wait, I
A
didn't
little
get.
more.
I didn't get filled. Go
I'm gonna
down.
move my stops down too, guys. I haven't trimmed, but I moved my stops down so there's less risk in the trade. Trimming, guys.
Beautiful. There's your first trim.
Everybody, trimming. Everybody, stops to break even.
I took a trim there, everyone, because it's Friday. Not dealing with the same thing we had happened last Friday. Move your stops to entry, okay? Stops to entry. Love that, Courtney. Glad I can help you, in some way.
There we go, guys.
My stops at entry, Team Bull, by the way. Next trim would be low day. I will not sell any more until then.
Won't do it.
Will not do it.
Bro refuses.
Oh, stretching my shoulders. It's a perfect week, everyone. We did it together. We've had one red day.
Good day, Team Bull. Let's see if we can get more out of this. Come on, we won't blow a day.
One red day in 2026 together.
Blow a day out of this, everybody.
That's what you call a sniper entry, by the way.
I know you're in a trade, Brandon. Bro was silent with it.
He took ours.
Come on, guys. Don't blow a day out of this. Make sure you guys have all managed your risk.
Come on. There we go. Trim.
Let's
Beautiful.
go, baby.
You can move your stops to our first trim spot now, everyone. Even when it hits it.
Go.
If it hits it, we're stopping in profits now.
Let's go, everybody. What a good day. Oh, we got great candle structure up right there, too. That looks amazing.
Nice trade. Anybody make any money on this? Curious to see.
All right. Let's... Team Bull, if y'all made some money with the squad today, in the Discord, on your Free Friday, type it.
I hope I helped you all make some money this week. I know that our conversations in here and the way we talk through trades has helped me make some, so I appreciate it. So I had 2 winning trades today. Keep in mind, these was not massive position sizes either. I'm sitting at a little over 1K on the day. 1,100. Still got room. I think I've had, we've had I've had 3 4-figure days this week. I was almost there yesterday. I thought it was, but I ended at 900 yesterday. I have my stop right above the Asia high. If we go any higher on this candle, I will be out of the remainder of my position. I have such a light position now. It's not going to make a big difference unless we just make a massive move. Why did I take a short? We waited on the 50% retracement of the high volume candle. Volume was pointing down, and our risk was defined. We knew exactly where we needed to stop out. We wasn't guessing. Professional risk managers. Don't bounce this demand. Just fall right through it. Don't even try it. Nice.
Guess what? We are 10K plus week now too, baby. Back to back. Going back to back. Going back to back.
We've had one Red Day Team Bull in 2026 together. That was last Friday. The rest have been winning trades.
Same here, bro.
Nice. It's going to be your best year yet, I'm telling you.
Big Bread and the Live. We did it live with the students in person. Who else is doing that? Nobody. Nobody else is doing that. That's who. Beautiful, beautiful day, guys. Grandma called a banger. Jen called a banger. Grace called a banger. Brandon called a banger. Music called a banger. I called a...
Jaden's pumped up. I like when he gets excited. Nice. TikTok's making some serious money over here. Slicks, I appreciate that. Keep going. Keep going down. Alright, I may make more than what I thought today. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. Our exact game plan paid, right? We had to change it just a little bit once we got this high volume candle you see here, but worked out perfectly. Hitting a 7-figure year in day trading is extremely hard, but it can be done. I feel like the years I make the most money is the years I'm locked in the most, but what helps me more than anything, I feel like, is it's very simple, is I don't really watch. I post my P&L for you all, but I pay attention to more of a monthly P&L. Wow, Jesus. Someone just posted like something in Team Bull chat I had to read there. It nearly blinded me. Had one person go on tilt while I was reading about they lost $10,000 today. I don't even know what they was trading. Team Bulls had all winning trades too. It happens though. I'm not making fun of them at all. It's tough, you know. I just don't like trading ES. It just does opposite of what I expect it to do when I get into a trade sometimes. I don't know. I feel like my strategies work best with NQ or MNQ. Or maybe I'm just a little too impatient for ES. I'm out of the trade, everyone.
Say, oh shit,
I'm out of this trade, Team Bull.
I'm gonna set my hard stop. It's gonna hit it. I'm gonna be takes the emotion.
Everyone hear me, Team Bull?
Yeah. Well, sorry, I just want to try to focus trading. It's hard to teach and trade and do the same, do it at the same time.
All right.
Y'all gotta, how much are you, or how much? How many of y'all are gonna make your way up to the office to trade with me in person sometime this year?
Well, so what's your name? I can't. Mayo. I'm gonna call you Mayo. It says, can you recap what I sold? So my position size is, in my personal account, I'm just gonna say it's irrelevant to you all. Okay. You cannot get your mindset thinking about my position size. It's not beneficial at all. If you trade with me, 3 to 5 MNQ, okay? Just keep it there. Our price targets come in at key levels or that 1-to-1 RR, okay? You don't want to be taking too many trades that are worse than a 1-to-1, right? It may play out in your favor. You may get more than that, but if your final price target is, 1-to-1, that's what I'm saying. You all want me to put out a recap video on YouTube today? If I put it out on a Friday, you all have to promise me you'll watch it, because sometimes I put them out, especially on a Friday. No one takes the time. See why I got out there, everyone? In an ideal trade, even if we don't get into, let's say we don't get into a short at supply, right? In a perfect world, even if we get in below it like we did here, we took that down to demand, right? And that's about as much as you can ask for, in my opinion, as far as a day trade goes. In a short time period, if you can get zone or, close to zone, that's ideal. That would be the perfect trade in my opinion. So where do I teach my strategy at? I trade inside Team Bull and drop education in there every day. Or I don't drop education every day. I trade in there every day. A lot of education in there, but I don't teach any courses or anything, so it's not really my thing anymore. I taught some in the past, but I feel like I can provide you all with so much free value on these lives. Why? So if I had some kind of course I could create that I felt like would really help you all, I would do it, but I don't, And last year, for those that's been following me, my main promise at the beginning of 2025 was free education only. And for the whole year, that's what I did. No courses, nothing. So. You done talking to me?
Get a little bit more of a pullback on that trade.
Every time I unmute, someone's talking like 1,000 miles an hour.
That was super nice. I locked myself out, guys. I'm trying to be DOD and not be a crackhead. Sometimes I do stupid stuff, guys. I stopped out with 720.
Oh, to be young again. Young as Gene. Still young. Don't come at me with the old jokes. I'm 34, but still. You're welcome, Mayo. Wow, that was a hard our first trim spot. Became resistance at Asia low. You see that? Interesting. Oh yeah, Steve. We call it a nasty trade here. I've seen a lot of you all went to grizzlytrades.com and tried out Tradeify. How did you all like the what is it called? Straight to funded. You skipped the evals. You tried them out? Yeah, I seen some from yesterday. Any plans for the weekend? That's what I meant to ask you all this morning before we got rolling. I'm still locked in on a discipline challenge, by the way. I had to start it over once where I was sick, but I have followed through with it every day. Nice. Is it cold? You're in Miami? I'm gonna head to not quite that far down, but I'll be in Florida soon. Every time I think of Miami, I have flashbacks from a bad experience there. What, Bourbon and Bacon Festival? Where's that happening at? Iguanas are falling out of trees. There's plenty of them down there. They need to do something with all them. It's crazy. You just be walking down the street, 2-foot iguana come flying by you. Mark says barbecue. I don't know. I haven't ever tried that. No, I'm done trading everyone. I'm just talking with you off. That's cool. We only needed one winning trade today. We got it. And I had 2 winning, the one I caught pre-market. And I'm not rubbing it in. I'm sorry I missed out. Sorry you all missed out. Oh yeah, Jackson, we do. I would say decent. We're getting overextended here, so just be careful. What's the next level? Well, we got previous day open and low coming up. I don't know if you all can see that. That's the only key levels I see. We don't have no demand for ways. You passed first eval? That's awesome. Have a good one, Joey. Feels good having a perfect week with you all. Thomas, I'm gonna have to give you something. You're always putting in the work on TikTok. So just hit me up. Let me know what you want. 10,000 likes. Appreciate the follow, Amy. TikTok, hit the follow button if you haven't. Grizzly merch. Oh, Medman usually handles all that. So if you want merch, you have to talk to Medman. If I have time, explain extended and retest. So when I say extended, like after big move, either way you can become overextended. And there's a couple different ways I can look and tell you now. I really don't need anything on the screen, but if you want to kind of judge it, you can put the 9 EMA, once you gap away from that, it's telling you, you're due for a pullback. That's one way for lower time frames. Another is having an RSI up on your chart. And retests are like retest of a key level. Say we broke pre-market low, but we made a move too big of a move down to take it off the close of that candle. We need less risk, so we wait on the retest of that key level for a risk. That makes sense, DJ? I hope I explained that where you could understand it. All right, everyone. I think I'm going to call it a week. Hopefully you all have plenty of money for steak tonight. Do not forget your steak tonight. Thomas, I know you're a vegetarian, so I'll let it slide, but the rest of you get the steak in. We've had a crazy week together. You earned it, so. Peace, everyone.